How Can I Become a Pediatrician by Emma Bernardino. What is a pediatrician? Do you want to have a major in the medical field? Then you should become a pediatrician. But first we must know what a pediatrician is. To answer that question, a pediatrician is a type of doctor who focuses on the health of specifically children, usually from ages 0 to 18 years of age. Skills you need. What skills does a pediatrician need? Well, now that you're going to be working with children almost all the time, you're going to need these skills to accomplish this job. These include mental and physical skills. The first skill would be communication. You're going to need to communicate with everyone in your workplace, including your coworkers, the patient's parents, and many others. The second skill would be to have compassion. This means to be understanding of every situation because every family is different and you don't know what someone could be going through. Another skill would be dexterity. This means to have very precise handwork. Children can be very fidgety and move around a lot, so you would need to be careful. You also need to have leadership. When you're in charge, you'll need to be able to manage your staff and your practice. This also means making quick decisions under pressure. The very last and very important skill is to have patience. The children are not always going to be nice and understanding of why they're visiting you in the first place, and they don't always trust easily. You will need to be very gentle and give some children more attention if they need it. Steps to becoming a pediatrician. Now that you understand what a pediatrician is, and if you have the qualities of one, these are the steps you will need to take in order to actually become one. Step 1. Obtain a bachelor's degree, probably a degree in science concentration. Step 2. Take the MCAT admissions exams, which stand for Medical College Admission Test, and apply to medical school after college. Step 3. Graduate from medical school. University of Victoria or University of British Columbia are great examples. Step 4 is to begin the licensure process. This means to begin to practice medicine and procedures. Step 5. Complete a residency in pediatrics. This means doctors will train at an actual hospital to prepare themselves for the actual job, which in other words means becoming fully licensed. Step 6. Become board certified. This signifies the highest level of being highly trained and excelling in your knowledge. This step is not necessary, but is for the best. Step 7 is to pursue a career in pediatrics. This means to work towards building a career and committing to your job. How long does this take? This whole process takes about 11 to 15 years, 4 years to complete a bachelor's degree, 4 years to complete medical school, and 3 to 7 years for a residency program. Is it worth it to work in pediatrics? Pediatrics is a very fulfilling job, and although it takes lots of work, it pays a good salary and you'll get to have fun experience throughout the whole process. You get to learn new things and meet lots of new people, including very cute or interesting children. Following these steps, one may pursue a career as a pediatrician. I hope this encouraged and convinced you to consider working in pediatrics, or in general, the medical field as a whole.